Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get max level in MM2 fast. To achieve the highest level quickly, your primary focus should be on consistently collecting coins and completing your role's objectives in every round. Prioritize playing as the sheriff or murderer whenever possible, as these roles typically offer significantly higher experience point rewards upon successful completion. Understanding the specific experience point system for each role is crucial for optimizing your leveling strategy and making every game count towards your progress. Mastering each role is key to maximizing your experience. As the murderer, aim to eliminate all innocents swiftly and efficiently, securing a large experience bonus. If you are the sheriff, your goal is to identify and shoot the murderer before they can eliminate too many players, earning you substantial points. Even as an innocent, diligently collecting every coin on the map and surviving the round contributes valuable experience. Each role offers unique opportunities for progression, so adapt your strategy accordingly. Coin collection is a cornerstone of rapid leveling. Make it a habit to collect all available coins on the map in every single round you play. Learning the various map layouts will help you discover hidden coin spawns and develop efficient routes for collection. Furthermore, utilizing core game mechanics, such as strategic hiding and precise movement, will allow you to survive longer, collect more coins, and ultimately gain more experience. Every coin adds up, significantly boosting your overall progress. Consistency is paramount for reaching the maximum level efficiently. Aim to play for at least 1 hour daily. Regular engagement yields far better results than sporadic long sessions. Joining public servers with active players ensures more frequent rounds and continuous opportunities for experience gain. Crucially, avoid AFK or away from keyboard farming. While it might seem easy, it is incredibly inefficient for leveling up. Active, focused gameplay is the fastest path to achieving the highest level in MM2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.